easy. So try to set that up. It's very easy. If you're following me through right now, you can write the steps so that you can keep looking at the screen. So just search for Claude extension, and then it's going to bring out this. You can click on the first one, which is Claude for Chrome, or you can do the download Claude. I already have it, but so let's just click on the Claude for Chrome, and it will bring up where it's what is going to bring up next might be download Chrome. So let's wait to see what it says. But just search on on your browser for Claude extension. And if you don't know how to use Claude yet, remember that I did a very short video. It just takes you 2 minutes for you to transfer your memory from ChatGPT to Claude. It's in the community. It's just 2 minutes. It's not complicated at all. Just try to watch it. So once you click on this, it's saying add to Chrome, but I've already done all that. So you should see download. So if anybody is already doing it right now, if you want to share your screen, let us see what you have. That's fine, so that we can, if you are doing it right now, just say you are doing it and share your screen so that others can see. Because I have already downloaded mine. Okay,
Can I ask a
Phoebe, are
question?
you the one?
I'm
Should I
doing it.
allow you
Yes.
share?
Yes, please.
Okay, all right. So let's allow you share. Let me stop sharing. What's the
Can I
question?
ask a question? It was yes.
Go ahead and ask your question.
So, apart from Chrome, is there any other browser that can be used?
Yes,
or
you can
Chrome?
use Edge. You can use Firefox. I think it has for all that. It has for those browsers as well. Okay, so Phoebe, scroll up. Okay, just remove the Chrome Claude extension. Okay, it's even there, Claude for Chrome. So just click on it or something. Or Claude for Chrome download, and let's download it.
Which one? This one?
The third one, I see Claude for Chrome. I see that one. Yeah,
yeah.
that one. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so add to Chrome. Got it. Add to Chrome. Okay, add extension. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me take this thing out from my way. It's blocking. So I think I need to turn off. Please give me 1 second. I have my WhatsApp connected to my laptop, so it's causing my stuff. Okay. Okay, so I think it has downloaded. I think it's a downloaded. So what you do next, can you see that 3-dot line on the top of your yes, that 3-dot line. Yes, exactly. So go to extension. It's down. Go to extension and then manage extension. All right, so let's see. The Claude extension is there. So that's the first one. So click on details. Allow extension option, allow access to, go back. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Go back, scroll up.
Okay.
No, don't, from now, just scroll up and click on that arrow. Yes. It was not, hold on. Click on it, just click on it. Oh, no. Go to keyboard shortcut, sorry. I wanted to make it easy. So it's already there. I just want to make it a shortcut for you so that, okay. So you see that activates the extension, right? Excuse me. So click on that pencil. Now, what is the shortcut? How do you want to quickly access it? Maybe you want to say Control S or Control E or Shift key. Like, instead of you going through this process of finding the extension that we did, what's the shortcut to access it? So just do maybe Control Z. No, maybe Control C, because Control Z is already undo. So do like Control S or something. Okay, so that's fine. It's still the same. If you want to do for the toggle Claude side panel as well, you can do that Control C as well. Or yeah, you can do Control C, same Control C. You already done Control C, sorry, do another one. Maybe Control S or something. Yeah, just find another shortcut.
Oh, what did I do?
It's okay. That one is fine. It's fine.
I
You don't have
wanted
to
to
do work. Okay.
control
Yeah.
T.
Okay. All right. So let's bookmark it. So you can bookmark it, call it Claude extension, and then click done. All right. So now that we've done that, now you have it on your browser. So Claude
Maria, I need
extension.
help too, though. I feel like I'm
Claude,
doing the wrong thing. I'm
yes.
so lost because this is my first class.
No, don't worry. Don't be lost. Just hold on. I'm explaining the reason why I wanted her to do it is I want to explain why she's doing it, but that's not stopping our class. We'll still continue, but just give me 1 second, okay? Don't be
Okay.
lost. That's too early to be lost. So the reason why we're having the Claude extension, like I said, is when you want to like figure out different hairstyles or outfits, like you will have to like search for those inspirations. But having Claude extension added to your browser, it's quicker. It can help you search websites. It can help you search things quickly. So you can give it a task that, okay, find like 10 and 50 Afro hairstyles for me. So it would do that quickly, and then you can now tell it also like, okay, from this hairstyle, give me like 3 prompts formula from this hairstyle. That's just an example. So that's why I wanted us to set it up while I'm talking. I could have just possibly just keep talking and just been mentioning Claude extension, but at least when you are listening to this replay again, you now understand why I mentioned Claude extension. Hope that is clear. It's just to help you like narrow and find things quickly without having to search through manually, just to buy your time quickly. Okay, so let's have you share your screen, Esther. Is it Esther or Oge? Who was that?
It's
Phoebe, you can
me.
start sharing.
Okay.
Okay, Oge, you can share your screen.
It's just a minute.
All right. So is that clear, everybody? And do you guys have, let me see your reaction. Do you have your clear photo, image of yourself, selfie? Do you have, or you're going to take it later? That's why I say you should turn on your camera. I said you should look
Yes,
good
I
so that you can
have.
take selfie. Okay, share your screen. Okay, so if you have a clear photo, while we're waiting for Oge to share her screen, is Oge sharing? Okay, Oge is
Yes.
sharing. All right, so you've already downloaded it from what I see. It's saying remove, so that
Oh,
means your extension is there already. So all you just need to do is go to the top. Can you see on your top right, there's a 3 dot line over there. That was where we went to as well on
why is
near
it blocking
verify
me?
it's you. You see that place where it states verify it's you, there's a 3 dot line beside it.
Where it says what?
Verify it's you, like that image of a human head on your top right.
Here.
Can you see it? So
Is
can you
it
see the
here?
3? No, not that place.
Oh,
On top, up.
oh, sorry.
Yes, where you are, chat. Yes, that place.
Okay. The
Yes,
blue
so
stuff
click
was
on it.
blocking it. Okay.
Okay, so go to extension. Okay.
Manage extension.
Manage extension. Yeah. So this is just to create a shortcut for you to say maybe Control S and it will automatically open your Claude. So that's where you're going to click on. Look at your Claude. You've already downloaded it, so it's there. So just click on the keyboard shortcut. Everybody, can you see what she's doing? So that is just creating a shortcut for your Claude extension, so that when you want to use it, instead of you like going to find Claude extension, you just do maybe Control S or Control V. Don't do something that is already working. Control V is pasting. So make sure that the shortcut you are using is not something that you're already using. So maybe you can say Control I, or just figure out what you want to use. So
How do I set up the
click on the
shortcut?
keyboard shortcut. Okay,
Huh?
click on the keyboard shortcut
Right here?
on your left hand side. No, not there. On your left
Oh,
hand
I
side.
see.
Yes, so click on that and then activate the extension. So you can use, when you click on that pencil, and then write control Y or anything.
Why is it not
Type
typing?
type control first and then
Oh,
a
God.
letter.
It's not typing.
Type control.
I know my key. Sometimes my keyboard just acts stupid. You won't type anything.
Okay. Okay, so do you want to figure that out?
Yeah.
But that's not going to stop you. So just figure that out and then we can always come back to you later.
So you usually control what?
can
Just
use
say
any
control,
one.
just press control, whatever. It won't allow you to type, but just say press control and press an alphabet together.
I
Then
think it's her keyboard
it
that is
should be
acting
good.
up.
Is my keyboard. It does sometimes it
Wait.
just locks. Very crazy.
Sorry, can I ask a quick question? Is it any control alphabet? Can it be control Y, control Z?
Yes, anything of your choice. Anything of your choice at all. It was me that was just mentioning a specific, but any one of your choice is fine. Okay, are you still having trouble
You
with it?
won't.
It's just
Okay.
my keyboard. Okay. But
Okay.
it's okay. How should I don't even know, but I'll figure it out.
Okay. Just leave this part for now, okay? We can always come back to it, but it's not stopping anything. You already have the extension on.
Okay.
All right. If that was just a shortcut for you, but it's already there. If you want to use it, it's already there. Okay. All right. So, Bola, what's your question?
Under my own keyboard shortcut, there's nothing under it. Doesn't really matter. There's
Yes,
nothing
because
showing.
you have to click on manage shortcut.
I did. And it brought my extension, then keyboard shortcuts. Then I clicked on keyboard shortcuts.
You have to click on that pencil before you can put anything on it.
Yeah, it's not showing anything. I clicked on
Can we see your
keyboard
screen?
shortcut.
Let's see your screen quickly.
Okay.
Okay, so while you're sharing your screen, let me go back so that we can continue. Are you sharing your screen?
Yes.
And so, okay, maybe you should figure out the keyboard while we are here so that you can. All right, so my extension, keyboard shortcut. Let's see what is in your extension. It might be that you don't have anything yet. See, you don't have anything now. You did not download the Claude yet.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Okay, so download the Claude and then you should be able to put the extension.
okay.
All right, so let's continue. So like I said, that was excuse me.